what do we have here at Unique Specialty and Classics? Looks like one for the Cobra fans. It's a beauty too, 1965 Factory 5 Shelby Cobra Replica. And hey, Ford powered for you die-hard Ford guys, 5-liter fuel injected V8 underneath the hood. That's paired up with a 5-speed manual transmission, power steering. Same owner since built. A little over 7,000 miles is all in this one. And yes, it is titled as a 65 Cobra. Absolutely love the paint color on this car. And I'm not a huge blue fan, but I tell you what, it's just that classic color combination harkening back to the original AC Cobra days. And look at that front end. Absolutely beautiful. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the engine bay, undersides, interior, trunk. All the still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Disc brakes, all 4 corners. Riding on the 5-spoke. Good looking wheel in this car, no doubt about that. You can see that paint's really free of any major nicks, dings, scratches. You got to have the side pipes, of course. Black leather interior. Interior's in very nice shape also. Nicely done. Matching leather dash cover. There's also a stereo that is mounted in the trunk of this with a controller underneath the dash. Wipers, and they do work. So there's nice amenities on this car too. There's also a couple pulls for the vents underneath the dash. There's a switch for the electric fan. Battery's located in the trunk, and there's a dead man switch, like a main shut-off for the battery, electrical, right back here in the trunk. You'll see that in the still pictures, and you also see where that stereo is added back there. A few things that are going to go along with this. How about a car cover? The assembly manual. Some other manuals on the stereo. There's a code reader, because it is a new enough engine that you'd be able to read codes off of it. And once again, all the still pictures on this car, uniqueclassiccars.com. All right, how about some of the details on this one? It does have the 5-lug conversion, 327 rear gears. Those are 19-inch wheels. Tires are in good shape, but they are older. If you like Cobras, Mustangs, Shelbys, all the above, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. All right, let's take a little closer look at this interior. You can see nice shape. No rips, tears, holes, really much wear at all in the seat. Lap belts. Suppose we should fire this up so you can hear it run. And of course, we'll take a peek underneath the hood. All right, now that I'm in it, there's your exact miles since built, 7,153. A couple of those things I mentioned. Right here is that fan for the, the switch for the electric fan. Right here is the controls for that radio, which is easy to know which is which. Towards us is volume up, away is volumes down, and then you can scan stations left and right. That's really all you need to know. There's those pulls, and I do believe that'd be for opening up the vents. Driver passenger side, there's another one under over here. All right, you ready? You know this is going to sound good. Oh, just the way it should sound. All right, so tack working over here. As you can see, we have blinkers. High beam is on the floor. That was a cold start, so I would expect temp to be up. Voltmeter. We have here, looks like clock, fuel, and oil pressure. Take these handles, turn them to the front. It's a nice setup with this hood also. It has struts on it. Like a newer alternator, one wire. Not gonna lie, another one I'd like to put in my garage. And a couple of the people that have driven this here at Unique say this one drives out absolutely beautiful. Stick around. Jason's gonna do just that. At the end of this video, it's a 1965 Factory 5 Shelby Cobra Replica. Titles is 65. Same owner since built. Ford powered. Call us, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Check with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're having some fun in a 1965 Shelby Cobra Replica. Sounds amazing with these side pipes. We got a manual transmission, which is what you always want. It's the world's best go-kart, these Cobras, and I say that in such a reverent way. Don't want to stop, you want to keep going faster and faster. Handles amazing, instant throttle response, the smoothest running Cobra I've probably ever driven. So we've got a fuel gauge reading a quarter of a tank. You might be able to see those perfectly. I might not even have to talk to you about those. The volts are almost 14, water temperature about 160, the oil pressure at about 40, and there's even a clock, an odometer clock, believe it or not. Tachometer and speedometer also working well. We do have a turn signal. This thing is street ready, race ready, whatever you want it to be. It's going to be fun. Hopefully you're not too bouncy there in the camera mount. You're on a windshield visor right now with a little bit of tape on it. We do what we got to do. Waiting for some traffic right now. Just want to play with the throttle. Corners, what would you say? Go-kart like, amazingly as responsive and flat as it can be. Just love it. Give it a little throttle as she pulls the back end out. Find all the pictures of this 65 Cobra Replica at uniqueclassiccars.com.